talk about how can you fix this problem or how you can do that on your pay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for pay app, or just click here on search. Then here add pay app is going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then you come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on it. So then you search for pay network app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.